Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Firstly, make sure the Phantom Wallet extension is installed on your browser. Click the puzzle icon on the top right of your browser, then click Phantom Wallet. In the Phantom Wallet window, you'll see two options, Deposit and Send. Click on Deposit to add Solana into your Phantom Wallet. In the Deposit section, type Binance in the search box. Select the Binance Exchange option that appears. Your Phantom Wallet address and a QR code will appear. You can either copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Now, visit Binance and log in using your email address or mobile. After logging in, click on Fiat and Spot in the Wallet section. In the Fiat Spot, find Solana in the list of your assets. Click on Withdraw, and then in the Withdraw window, paste the Phantom Wallet address you copied earlier. Select the network of Solana. In the withdraw amount, write the amount of SOL you want to withdraw. Binance will send a verification code. Just click Send Code and submit once you've entered it. After submission, your transfer should be completed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.